day is beautiful right now. Very sunny, blue sky. I'm actually going to put my sunglasses. I'm also super tired from yesterday. I slept like 9 hours or something, and my eyes are... So I really need coffee, and I'm hungry too. So they've got a coffee place inside of Spa, and they have iced latte. That's basically full of Nutella. This croissant. It's so good. And this pain au chocolat is also really good, really moist, perfect. Alright, so today is going to be a bit more relaxing than yesterday. I'm just going to hang around in the city center, and it's going to be sort of studious. So first I'm starting with the Trinity College of Dublin. Then I have a ticket at 11 for the Book of Kells, and then the National Gallery of Ireland. I might do another art gallery if I have time, but only if I have time. So yeah, it's going to be more relaxed today. I need to rest. I'm so tired. What I'm going to do at 11. So I am here, and Book of Kells is here, and yeah, all the rest to visit. So Trinity College Dublin, 19-hectare university with Georgian buildings, known for its humanities, science and medical programs. That's under renovation. College Park is campus. So about the Book of Kells, here's the information I have from Google. Grand Library location for illuminated illustrations of the Christian Gospels dating from 800 AD. First I have to say it's quite expensive, 26 euros for just that without a tour of the university or anything. And I think on top of that at the moment all the books are out of the library. I think they have replaced them with some decorations or something like this. So it kind of looks nice according to like their website. But I'm not too sure what I'm going to see exactly. And I'm back on the main square. I'm just going to follow the arrows. Here, so it's supposed to be the building. And they say entrance this way. The Book of Kells experience entrance there. There are some other buildings there. I think the entrance is there. Book of Kells experience, the old library. Hello, I already have the ticket,
Yes.
but I have read online that there were some changes with the books that are for renovation.
Yeah, so when you go upstairs, there's 4 bays of books left as they were original.
Okay.
The reason when you go up, you'll see that the rest are empty. So what they've done is they've decanted all the books out because they have to work on the building.
Okay.
It's taken a year. So normally we would have 200,000 books.
What is the Book of Kells? The Book of Kells is a lavishly decorated copy in Latin of the 4 Gospels of the life of Christ. Good library redevelopment project. Right, so the first ones we still have the books, but not after that. facsimile, but still very nice to see. So that was indeed in this building, but there is a second building, which is the red one I've seen before, which is the continuity of this. So in this building, alright, so that's probably about the preservation of the books. And yeah, that's about the preservation of the books.
Founded there. Here, beside the sea, he established his community of monks.
Right. I tried to be reasonable, but still got 2 little books out of it. Alright, it is 12:50. It was really nice to see, even without the books. It would have been better with the books, but yeah, it's also necessary to just take care of them and to take them out of the library. So yeah, a lot of people at the cafe. In the cafe there were sandwiches, but they were bad and expensive. So I'm going to find a shop somewhere nearby and have lunch. I don't know where. Little interactive map. Very nice. It's Percy the Pig. Alright, I'm back there. So I went to Marks and Spencer. It has always been like more expensive, but the quality is also much better. And with the prices rising everywhere, it's like the differences in price is just smaller. I got the Peppa Pig drink, half and half. It just tastes like the candy. I've just realized it's actually Percy Pig, not Peppa Pig. And I haven't had a flapjack in forever. So now I'm going to visit the Douglas Hyde Gallery. It's just nearby, literally just 20 meters away. So what I've found on Google, expansive city center gallery featuring a program of modern art exhibitions, events and talks. And it's apparently free. So
After a year of discussion, the tax people asked that the house be auctioned.
that was really small. And now, the National Gallery of Ireland. I think it's free. It's 2:20 already. National Gallery of Ireland. So about the National Gallery of Ireland, grand collection of European art spanning the 14th to the 21st century, covering all major schools. So it's 5:20. I have finished visiting the gallery, which was very nice, and especially considering it's free, that was really nice. Now I'm going to walk a little bit in some streets in the city center and to buy my dinner at Marks and Spencer, because it's not really that much more expensive than the other things, and at least it's nice with some good quality and good choices. So yeah. I've got dinner for tonight and I am so tired. And the entrance to the university again. So I can't believe it's already Thursday and I feel that I've barely seen the city centre. I have planned to walk outside of Dublin tomorrow. So that would mean that tonight is the last night really in Dublin. And I just feel there are so many other nice things to see in the city centre or just to walk around in the streets, because there are so many streets I haven't seen. So I'm going tonight to review my plans for tomorrow. Do I stick to the plan, to what I had planned initially, and just go for a walk outside? Or do I do something else within Dublin? Especially considering that yesterday I went outside of Dublin too, and I did a super long 16 kilometers walk. So I might change my mind about tomorrow.